Effective rules in Microsoft Outlook. 3 ways to filter information important to you. Number 1. Create email alerts when it is important to see messages from specific people such as a manager or a coworker. When these people email you, you want to know right away. Begin by right-clicking on an email from someone important to you from your network. Scroll down and choose Create Rule. This allows you to quickly create a rule based on a limited amount of information. In this open window, tick the first and fourth boxes, the From and Display in the New Item Alert window boxes. Now, the alert window will show you your messages from anyone you designate. Click OK, and then run this rule now. Setting this alert system for just some of the people you work with saves time. Instead of clicking, sorting, and reviewing, look at your alert window. When you open Outlook, you'll see email from those people there in the alert window in the middle of your computer monitor. Here's a short video to show you how to set this up. Right-click on an email in your inbox from a coworker, a manager, or possibly an important client. Choose Create Rule. Click From and Display in the New Item Alert window. Number 2. Do you ever BCC or CC yourself on outgoing email? For example, if you send an email request to someone and you know you'll be waiting on them to get back to you with information in return, add your email address to the BCC line. That way the email will go to the person you're sending it to and come back to you. When you return to your inbox, you'll see an email to you and from you that you can now organize. Select that message and then click Tools and choose Rules and Alerts. Create a new rule based on the information to and from you. We'll start from a blank rule. We're going to create a custom filter within Outlook that moves any messages you send to yourself. After adding your address as the sender, continue down the list of options toward the bottom and choose where My Name is not in the To box. Go ahead and click on Next, and then click Move to the specified folder. Here, you'll create a new folder called .waiting on. The dot before the waiting moves that folder toward the top of your files on the left-hand side. Now, when you click on the Waiting On folder, you only see messages that you copied yourself on in the BCC or CC lines. Number 3. Automatically filter and flag emails as they arrive. If there are certain people in your network who email you from time to time and you know that they will be actionable, you can have Outlook automatically flag these messages. To manually flag an item, right-click the email in the inbox and choose Flag for Follow-up. Here, I flag an email for action, and in my For Follow-up folder on the left-hand side, I will see the email from that person. Outlook does not move the email, it simply filters it as an item that I have flagged for action. If there are people who always send you actions, you can automate this. Go to Tools, Rules and Alerts, create a new rule, and again start from a blank rule. Click in the box to choose people you want to flag for action from your address book, and then click Next. Look down that list of conditions and choose Flag Message with a colored flag. At this point, you can choose any color you like. Click on OK and choose to run the rule. Now, Outlook will show me any emails it automatically flags that I can see on the left-hand side. To easily navigate between your inbox and your follow-up folder, simply drag this folder to the top of your favorite folders on the left-hand side. As email from these people arrive, you will see it filtered in your For Follow-up folder.